Some clubs are for some select few, but the IKEA Family Club is for everyone. The IKEA Philippines store is at Mall of Asia Square, Mall of Asia Complex, Pasay City. This branch is considered the biggest in the world. IKEA was created to make shopping more enjoyable and accessible with a simple vision: to create a better everyday life for the many. That includes food, which is more than just nourishment. It's the heart of everyday life. Built on 7 food principles, focused on becoming people and planet positive, IKEA Swedish Restaurant, located on the 4th level, continues to serve meals that are sustainable, affordable, and delicious. Inspired by Swedish heritage, it is open daily from 9:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. IKEA family members enjoy exclusive savings on a variety of delicious meals, snacks, and treats, making the day a little better. Promo meal offerings exclusively for IKEA family members are constantly changing. Available on all February weekends, IKEA family members can start the day with a hearty breakfast. Deeply nourishing, including warm, comforting foods like pancakes, served with bacon and scrambled eggs, plus free refillable coffee. A substantial way to begin your IKEA adventure. Designed to keep you full for several hours at a giveaway price of 20 pesos. Or if you are craving something satisfying and filling for lunch, another enticing offer that you will surely enjoy is the crispy fried Chicken Schnitzel with French fries and steamed veggies on the side. It comes with a refreshing, refillable cold drink of your choice and a sweet buko pandan dessert for the promo price of only 295 pesos, available daily until the 1st of April. To redeem these 2 attractive offers, IKEA family members must present their IKEA family card. But if you're looking for healthier options, you can choose from pressed green salads, grilled chicken salad, and warm mushroom soup. From organic spaghetti and beef pares to peppery pork ribs, chicken wings, savory sides, hot snacks, and kids' meal, there's something for everyone. Seafood lovers will appreciate the salmon wrap, the marinated salmon, and the baked salmon fillet with lemon and dill sauce, mashed potatoes, and mixed vegetables as side dishes. Of course, no visit is complete without the iconic Swedish Meatballs, complemented with a scoop of mashed potato, mixed vegetables, and lingonberry sauce. Or try the plant-based Swedish balls for a sustainable choice. Don't forget to cap your meals with dessert. Indulge in almond cake topped with chocolate and crunchy caramel, or the classic Filipino desserts, creamy leche flan, buko pandan, and mango sago. All are perfect sweet endings to your meal. You can pair your meal with brewed coffee, hot black tea, or enjoy free-flowing Nordic drinks in refreshing flavors like elderflower, lemon, pear, raspberry, lingonberry, and cola, all with 50% less sugar. So next time you are in the Mall of Asia complex, come visit IKEA. Take a break to experience their affordable, sustainable, and full of flavor meals. A true taste of Sweden you can trust and feel good about. Additionally, the IKEA Swedish Restaurant is not just about the food. It's about bringing people together, creating precious moments. Become an IKEA family member and enjoy rewards, discounts, inspirations, and a few surprises all year round. See you on the next Great Food Finds. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.